will feature, among other things, the World Cross Country Championship, Safari Rally just around the corner.
And the nominees are...
In the very, very...
The late Kelvin Kiptum.
That the last time I attended Soya, I was actually the sports minister 11 years ago. And it has kept on, it has kept on growing and becoming bigger and better. And really is something to applaud and to thank those who partner around this brand, who have made this brand continue to grow and encourage even more to come on board. I want to congratulate all those who have been honored tonight. Tunawapongeza sana. We are proud of you. It is also gratifying to note that this year, the schools category makes a return after a brief break induced by COVID. And getting our schooling ecosystem to this level is so critically important.